Okay, here we go. Okay, so newly rebuilt transmission. It's got some cotton in there. That's neutral. And there's reverse. Oh, my shaft slid out. Let me drop that in. Can you see, Jack?
Yep.
There we go. And there's reverse. Okay, we'll get out of reverse now. If I'm strong enough. There we go. Okay, and we're going to go into first gear.
How many gears are there, Dad?
4, honey. 4 plus reverse. So there's first gear.
And then there's second gear.
Okay. Second gear. And we'll pop it out of that, back into neutral. There we go. Okay, then we'll flip this. And we'll go to third gear. There's third gear. And fourth gear. And back to neutral, maybe. Whew, need to work on my strength, I guess.
We should get us a weight set. Or a treadmill.
You think that makes me stronger at this? I keep popping past it into third. Okay, let's see. There we go. And that popped out again, but we're back to neutral.